I welcome you to this session. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about how to fill US tax information form in 2023. Once your channel is monetized, then you have to fill a form US tax information. So firstly, you need to go to your payment thresholds. Then select submit your tax information to Google. Then select sign in to your AdSense account. Now click on Manage Tax Information. Now click on Add Tax Information and Start Form. Enter your password. Click on Individual. Click on No. And then click on W-8BEN. Now select your country. This form is only for non-US citizenship, so enter your PAN number. Here foreign TIN means PAN card. Click on Next. Now enter your address. Click on mailing address is same as permanent residence address. Then select Next. Now select are you claiming a reduced rate of threshold under a tax fraternity? That means yes. Then select your country. Now select on services. Click Article 7 and Paragraph 1, 0%. Then click here and then click Article 12 and 15%. And finally click 12 article and 15% and now click on I confirm button, then press Next. Now are you the person named in the tax identity section signing this form name as? So yes, and full name is. Enter your full name and click on Next, and then click on has the individual identified in the tax identity section performed any activity and services for Google within US? Then click No. Then select Next. Now click I accept the paperless delivery agreement and then submit the form. So here your tax information for US has been accepted.